Welcome, fellow weirdos. I'm your host, Papa Za. Here at Weird Wild Pizza, we make weird pizza with wild sourdough. Check out the link below for our pizza dough recipe. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell to join the weirdest pizza quest in the galaxy. 3 mustard pizzas. 3 Chicken McNugget Pizza with 4 sauces separated. Prepare toppings. 20-piece Chicken McNuggets. Make sauce. Sweet and sour sauce. Hot mustard. Barbecue. Spicy habanero. Great cheese. Mozzarella cheese. Make pizza. Flour. Roll dough. Flour pizza peel. Slide peel under dough. Sweet and sour. Barbecue. Hot mustard. And spicy habanero. Two cups mozzarella cheese. 20 Chicken McNuggets. Pat down. Bake pizza at 550 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. Barbecue, sweet and sour, spicy habanero, and hot mustard all in one. Chicken McNugget Pizza with 4 sauces. Sweet and sour McNugget Pizza. Barbecue McNugget Pizza. Hot mustard McNugget Pizza. And spicy habanero McNugget Pizza. 4 different sauces McNugget Pizza. Hot mustard. Oh yeah. Sweet and sour. Barbecue. Yep. And spicy habanero. Woo! Yeah. 2. A Montreal smoked meat pizza. Make rye pizza dough. Sourdough starter, dark rye flour, salt, and mix. Add white flour half at a time. Mix. Flour. Knead dough 30 seconds. Make a dough ball. Lightly flour. Cover 1 hour. Prepare toppings. Remove from box. Boil pot of water. Add meat packs. Boil 10 minutes. Remove. Remove meat from packs. Dice half the meat. Cut other half in thirds. Slice pickles in quarters. Make sauce. Yellow mustard. Grate cheese. Mozzarella cheese. Make your pizza. Flour. Roll dough. Flour pizza peel. Put peel under dough. Add 2/3 cup yellow mustard. 1 cup sliced smoked meat. 2 cups mozzarella cheese. 1 cup diced smoked meat. Pat down. Bake pizza at 550 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. Quartered pickles. Montreal smoked meat pizza. One. A Christmas rum ham pizza. Prepare toppings. Brussels sprouts. Trim stem. Half. Smoked pork shoulder. Remove netting. Score diagonally. Whole cloves. Insert them into pork. Spiced rum, brown sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, salt, pepper, cherry syrup. Mix. Add rack to roasting pan, put the ham in and add some water. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 hours. Add Brussels sprouts. Pour on half the glaze. Bake for 30 minutes. Stir Brussels. Pour on remaining glaze. Bake for 30 more minutes. Remove ham. Remove Brussels sprouts. Strain liquid from pan. Bring to a boil. Add cornstarch water mix. Bring to a boil, stirring frequently. Cook until desired thickness. Slice ham. Slice into strips. Cocktail cherries. Remove stem, half. Grate cheese. Mozzarella cheese. Make sauce. Rum ham sauce. Dijon mustard. Mix. Dijon rum sauce. Cocktail cherries. Brussels sprouts. Rum ham. Make pizza. On a floured surface, roll dough. Add more flour if necessary. Flour your pizza peel. Put peel under dough. Dijon rum sauce. Mozzarella cheese. Rum ham. Brussels sprouts. Cocktail cherries. Pat down. Bake pizza at 550 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. Doesn't it look all Christmassy? Christmas rum ham pizza. Thanks for watching Weird Wild Pizza. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. If you got a pizza challenge, leave a comment below. And be sure to check out what's up next.